What's up, guys? This is gonna be a weird video. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for it, but I just made some friends at the hot spring that I'm at right now. I'm in the middle of nowhere at a hot spring, and these dudes just rolled up in a hearse of all vehicles. But they're cooking on the open fire. They're making kielbasa and chicken, and I offered to bring over some broccolini. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go hang out with some friends that I just made. What's up, guys? So I just had the best freaking time hanging out with some new friends. Shout out T-Bone and family. Yeah, I didn't plan what to do today. I was actually gonna cook, but they just fed me super well over there. We had chicken, kielbasa, and I brought some broccolini over. We had asparagus as well. Amazing. It's freezing cold in here. I have the heater on. It is storming like crazy outside. After the night I just had and the storm that's coming in, I need to get ready to prepare for a very cold night. So I just had some amazing dinner thanks to my friends that I just met at the hot spring. And right now, honestly, I think I could go for some chocolate chip cookies. So we're gonna make some real quick, and that's gonna do it for me because I'm ready to blast the heat and go to bed. But some chocolate chip cookies with walnuts in them would be incredible. So first, I'm going to toast some walnuts, and then I'm going to brown some butter and make some chocolate chip cookies. And that's gonna do it for me. And have them with some goat's milk. And yeah, hoping you guys are having a great New Year. I'm hoping you guys are having a great Christmas Eve. I'm having a great time. Today has been amazing. I know this is going to be a crazy, weird video, not going to be at all cohesive or aesthetic, but hey, I'm still posting for you guys because I love you. So thanks for being with me on this Christmas Eve. Let's make some chocolate chip cookies real quick.
No, the packaging looked like Ritz crackers, so that's why I picked them up. I wanted to see if they're anything like the ones in the US. These snacks are making me thirsty. Grab some tea. Grab a drink. Yeah.
This is my brown buttered walnut dark chocolate chip cookie. I haven't made cookies in forever, and I've never made, I don't think I've ever made cookies on this channel. And this is my first time doing brown buttered chocolate chip cookies. So let's see if it makes a big difference. Cheers, guys. Try it with the goat's milk. Hands down, the best cookie I've ever made in my entire life. That was delicious. Browning the butter, in case you don't know, is when you just like cook the butter on low and constantly stir it until it like deepens in color, and it brings out this like extra flavor to it that you don't get from normal butter. Wow. It really enhanced, like, it like gave it like a, I don't know, just like a deeper taste to it. Hey, Bubby. Oh, you can't have any, unfortunately. Oh. That was definitely the best cookie I've ever made. Definitely probably top 10 of cookies I've had in general. The flaky salt on top really helped it like pop with that sweetness with the salty contrast. The dark chocolate chips, so good. The walnuts, the toasted walnuts. Wow. That was really freaking good. Okay. I'm not sure if y'all can hear, but it is storming like crazy outside. The wind is blowing crazy. It said it was gonna snow tonight. I'm still hoping for that. Hasn't started snowing yet, and it's like 7 p.m. It'll probably be hopefully around 9-10 when you guys get this Pacific time. But I would love to wake up on Christmas Day tomorrow with snow. I guess we'll see. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and make a Christmas meal. Me and Lars are open our gifts. I have some gifts that I got for Lars, and then a couple gifts my family got for me and Lars. So we'll open those tomorrow and have a delicious meal. But yeah, that's gonna do it for me, guys. I am going to clean up. I have a lot of stuff to clean up right now and get to bed. Well, after editing and posting this video, of course, getting to bed. But I will see you guys on Christmas Day. Hopefully you are having a great Christmas Eve, spending time with friends, family, loved ones, or if you're hanging out by yourself, hope you're still having a good day. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, which is Christmas Day. So until then, peace.